Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends in WhatsApp. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp. So let me open WhatsApp. So once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to click on this icon in the right bottom corner and click on new contact. And here you need to add any contact. And here you need to add the last name. Here you need to select the country, for example, from India. Here you need to add the number and click on save, and here you can select where you want to save in Gmail. So I want to save in the phone. Okay, and then you need to click on save. So once you save, you have your friend here like this, and you can send that friend as message as well. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.